Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. Sign into your Google account and choose a descriptive folder so your video is organized. Once done, open Drive in a browser or the app, then drag and drop the file or use new right arrow file upload. Make sure the upload completes. You'll see a progress bar and a thumbnail when done. If the file is large, keep the tab open and avoid network interruptions. This prevents partial uploads and ensures the file is fully processed before sharing. Locate the uploaded file, right-click it and choose Share to open link and access controls. Next, decide why you're sharing. Pick Restricted for specific people or anyone with the link to broaden access. Then set the role to viewer, commenter, or editor depending on permissions you want. Once chosen, click Copy Link. Make sure to toggle options like preventing editors from changing access and disabling downloads if you need to keep the source safe. These steps control who can see, edit, or download the video. Send the copied link via email or chat, or add collaborators directly by email in the share dialog and click Send. Once done, confirm recipients can open the link. For longer-term control, set an expiration date for access or transfer ownership in advanced settings. If a viewer reports playback problems, make sure the file is a web-friendly format, MP4H. 264 audio AAC, confirm link sharing is set to allow viewing, and suggest downloading the file if streaming fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.